This is the problem number 49 for GATE 2019. The line current of a three-phase four-wire system are square wave with amplitude of 100 ampere. These currents are phase shifted by 120 degree with respect to each other. The RMS value of neutral current is okay. Now neutral current means IN equals to IA plus IB plus IC for a balanced three-phase system. Here it is balanced as the amplitudes uh, are 100 ampere and phase shifted by 120 degrees. So these currents are balanced. Here also somewhere it is written as balanced. If not, then this can be considered as balanced because magnitudes are same and the phase angles between the phasors are 120 degrees. So this is balanced, and In equals to Ia plus Ib plus Ic. Now if I plot this, if I plot this three phase currents, these currents are square wave and magnitude are 100. So if I plot this, it will be like, okay, I need to erase the whole thing because this requires a considerable amount of space in the board. Okay, so now if this is IA, this is IB, this is IC, and this is IN. Okay, now this is, say, this is pi, this is twice pi, pi twice pi, pi twice pi, pi twice pi. Okay, now if I divide this part into three sub part, we have pi by 3, twice pi by 3, and pi. This will be 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, right? Now as this is a square wave, and take the reference, means the angle between reference frame and a phasor is 0 degree. So this will be, this is the square wave and this value will be 100, this is minus 100, and IB will be shifted 120 degree after with respect to IA. So 120 degree means twice pi by 3. So at this point this IB will start, IB up to 5 pi by 3, like this. And for IC means more 120 degree, this 120 degree plus this 120 degree. So from this the waveform will start. Start means if I take a fixed point, okay, this is the waveform and all magnitudes are 100. This points is also 100. and this is minus 100. Okay, now if I just add these three currents, we have the neutral current. So here plus from 0 to pi by 3 we have plus 100 minus 100 plus 100 means plus 100 plus 100. Okay, from pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 plus 100 minus 100 minus 100, we have minus 100 here. From 2 pi by 3 to pi we have plus 100 plus 100 minus 100, so it will be plus 100 like this. Okay, it will be like this. So this in in the question we record the RMS value of neutral current. So if I take up to this 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi, we have, if I erase these things, okay, we don't need this anymore, we only need the in. Okay, now in RMS, in RMS root means there will be a root from 0 to pi integration of 0 to pi in square d omega t, right? Now this will be from 1 by pi from from 0 to pi by 3, right? 0 to pi by 3, it will be 100 dt. Okay, d omega t, yes, omega t, plus, if I take this as common, pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3, we have minus 100 d omega t, right? And from twice pi by 3 to pi, we have again 100 d omega t. Okay, now if I write this 1 by pi 100 pi into pi by 3, okay, minus 100, again 1 by pi is common, minus 100 into twice pi by 3 minus pi by 3, again pi by 3, and plus 1 by pi 100 into pi minus twice pi by 3 is pi by 3, right? And this will be, okay, 100 square we have. Now this will be so this will be plus, right? Okay, let me, plus minus of 100 square. Okay, so if I do the mathematics, we have, if I take this, we can cancel the pi's, right? 1 by pi is common, we can cancel the pi's. We have three parts of 100 square by pi, so this will be 100 square, and that is equals to 100 ampere. So RMS value of neutral current is 100. and this must be option B, 100 ampere. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, if you are not, it is not visible, then I write here option B, 100 ampere. This will be rather right.